Hi, today we are going to discuss about SSL inspection on Zscaler ZIA service. Today's world, most of the internet sites are using SSL. Through this SSL enabled websites, there are possibility to hide the malware contents or a transaction like malicious happen between the client and the server. SSL inspection helps to provide security scanning by decrypt the packet in the middle. It may be using a proxy device or firewalls or any other network components. When you are doing SSL inspection, which enables you to do policies based on user, based on the application control, and you can have a more leveraged user based logging, such as you can see the user informations and you can see how long the user is accessing what sites, those kind of detailed granular information you can see on the logs. When a SSL inspection enabled on Zscaler ZIA service, PSC will sit in between the user and the websites. The user will generate transparent SSL request or connect request. Transparent in the case of GRE IPsec configuration, and connect request if there is any explicit proxy also configured on the user machine. The PSC will talk to the actual SSL enabled server, and the server will respond with its own certificate. Then PSC will generate another request response towards the uh, user with its own certificate. SSL negotiation will happen between the user and PSC and between the PSC and the web server. So when we do so, PSC will have the complete visibility about the data that is transferring between the user to the server and the server to the user, which will provide a granular policy configuration. And in the logging, you can see detailed information about the user, how they are accessing, what kind of application inside that website they are accessing, and it will help to protect if there is any command and control interaction between the client and server. When you enable SSL inspection, there are various scenarios come across like road warriors with custom ports, non-IP, GRE or IPsec, and client connectors. In case of road warriors, the PSC will look at whether the written statement saying 9443, if yes, the traffic will be scanned. If no, the traffic will not be scanned. If a road warrior come with custom ports, PSC will look the custom ports SSL is enabled on the location or not. If the location created with custom ports and its configuration SSL is enabled, then the traffic will be scanned. Otherwise, the traffic will not be scanned. If the traffic is coming from non-IP, GRE or IPsec, PSC will look at if the SSL is enabled on the location or not. If yes, scan will happen. Otherwise, the scan will not happen. If in case of client connectors, PSC will look at whether the particular device has a SSL enabled or not. If SSL enabled on the portal, then scanning will happen. Otherwise, the traffic will not be scanned. Let's jump in a demo. You need to go to policy, SSL inspection. Under SSL inspection, you have certain modules. The first module is if SSL inspection is disabled, block HTTP to these sites. Generally, if you are enabled SSL inspection, a Zscaler will do inspection and do policy blocking regardless of HTTP or HTTPS sites. If SSL inspection is disabled, Zscaler cannot intercept the HTTPS sites and cannot enforce the policies. So if there is no HTTPS is enabled on the location, then you can block the categories which needs to be blocked under here. And you have option to enter specific URLs here and enable the notification if any traffic is getting blocked. You have another set of policies for SSL inspection. You can mention the list of categories which needs to be SSL inspected, or you can put any. That means all traffic will be inspected. You have an option to block undecryptable traffic. If the server using any non-standard decryption encryption mechanism, then Zscaler cannot decrypt it. In that case, you can either block or allow. There are options to exempt URL categories. Like this, you can select the URL category here to exempt the certain URL categories, and if you have any certain URLs, you can just enter your URLs over here. And if you have any applications which needs to be SSL by exempted, you can enter those as applications over here. You have plenty of application you can choose from here, and you have an option to identify if the certificate is untrusted, then allow, pass through, or block. You have an option to enable SSL for users with Kerberos, and also you have option to enable a policy for client connectors. Based on the device type, uh, you can device type and operating system, you can enable SSL or disable it. At the end, you have an option to download the root certificates and export or import into all the user machines. If you are enabled SSL inspection on for the client connectors, then you can see under app profile where you can enable an option to install the certificate automatically without um, downloading from the portal and uploading manually into the end user machines. You can upload the certificate manually or SCCM. And if you are using Zscaler client connectors in the app profile, you can enable this option. This will automatically enable download the certificate from client connectors and installed on user machines. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.